Dear students, welcome to the course Science of Consciousness in Ancient India. This is lecture 6. Today we are going to discuss IKS in another way, because last time in the last lecture I explained you the classification of IKS as per the understanding of Rajashekhar. So that was at his time. Now we can for current understanding, for modern times, how we should understand the IKS, that is going to be described today. So you can see, like we can classify the whole of the corpus between two categories. One is the primary sciences and second is allied sciences. For contemporary understanding, you can classify like this one. So the primary sciences are 18 Ashtadash Vidya Sthanani, and 64 allied sciences are there, which are termed as Chatushashti Kala. So Chatushashti is the Sanskrit word for 64. The number 64, Chatu means 4, Shashti means 60, so 64. And Kalaha is the word which is used to understand or to nominate the allied sciences, skill based sciences. And Ashtadash is 18, so 18 primary sciences, Vidya Sthanani. So this classification is, you can just assume that if you are going to transform whole of the current imported British education system in the coming time, then what is the actual structure of IKS? This 18 primary sciences are belonging to higher education. Higher education means the child is supposed to learn them in order to get the understanding about the three basic questions. First, who am I? मैं कौन हूँ? पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपको आपका पता हो. If you are knowing everything about the world, universe, cosmos, you are trying to know everything, but you don't know who am I, and you don't have the answer of the question who am I, then there is no use of any of the knowledge you are possessing, because that would become just the information, not the knowledge. ठीक है. First question, who am I? Then second question, from where I have come, कहाँ से आया हूँ, मेरा appearance कैसे हो गया. And the last question, what is the goal of my life? टारगेट क्या है, किस लिए ऐसा शरीर, ऐसा रूप, स्ट्रक्चर, ऐसा फॉर्म मिला है. So the three basic questions are the target of higher education in Indian understanding. Indian knowledge system deals with the three basic questions, then the child is supposed to enter into the higher education to get the answers of this. And as per the Indian system, we were given 25 years of the age. As per the Upanishad itself, Ishavasya Upanishad says, Ishavasyam idam sarvam yat kincha jagatyam jagat ten takten bhunjita ma gridha kasya siddhanam. And then the next one verse says like shatam varshani jivati. After this mantra, the beginning mantra, then the second mantra of the Ishavasya Upanishad mentions that the prescribed age of human being in Kali Yuga is 100 years. So the 100 years are being divided into 4 equal parts, and that is how 25 years are devoted to the Brahmacharya, the first ashram. So the child was supposed to complete the education till 25. Right now what is happening, you are having the students are not having any clue. A lot of the students are not having actual understanding what their natural inclination is till the age of 25 also. 25 साल तक भी डिग्री मिल जाती है, लेकिन अभी तक ये नहीं पता होता है कि who am I, what, from where I have come, and what is the goal of my life. You are still confused. So as per the Indian practices in the education, first of all, a child was supposed to be trained through a family guru, जिसको हम कहते थे कुल गुरु. Family guru means kul guru. The word is used like kul guru till the age of 8 years. The child is supposed to learn the allied sciences first, and the parents and the kul guru is the authority who are supposed to train the child in all the allied sciences. So the number of allied sciences varies with the time. As per the requirement of the society, the number varies, and different texts present different number. You can see the number here. I will explain. After the age of 8, the child was supposed to go into the higher education. अब क्या है? When did you started your higher education? 17 plus. तो 10 साल तो आप ऐसे ही लेट हो चुके हैं, ठीक है, हम 10 साल देर से चल रहे हैं. So don't expect you would be able to complete your brahmacharya till 25. You make it like 35. So even after doing the postdoc research, you are not having the answers of the proper 3 basic questions: who am I, from where I have come, and what is the goal of my life. Then when you enter into the grahastha ashram, you start consuming a lot of the things, start preserving and accumulating a lot of the material well-beings, and you reach to the peak of the prosperity, and then again the declination starts. क्योंकि वहाँ पहुँच करके भी क्या नहीं मिला, आई एम नॉट हैप्पी, आनंद नहीं मिला, सब कुछ अटेन कर लिया जो टारगेट किया था, स्टिल आई एम नॉट हैप्पी, आई एम नॉट हैविंग द पीस ऑफ माइंड, and I am surrounded by so many diseases, diabetes, hypertension, and so on. So what was the point of your education? We are having no clue to which destination we are heading towards. So Indian education system was targeting this 64 allied sciences as the first basic things which are being taught to the student or to a child in order to master or identify one's own natural inclination that can be selected by the child as one's own profession. And after that, the 3 basic questions are required to be known by each and every individual. That is the target of the higher education. So the different, completely opposite understanding from the Western point of view of education and the modern Indian point of view about the education. So यहाँ शिक्षा का लक्ष्य आपको अपने अस्तित्व से परिचित कराना था. यहाँ शिक्षा का लक्ष्य ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कंज्यूम करना है, accumulate करना है, and then accumulation of everything including the diseases, including the self invitation towards death, towards the self destruction. So that is the way, that is a difference between the basic identities or the perspectives or the visions of the IKS and the practices which are being started in the West. So now we are going to just recap. 18 Vidya Sthanani, Ashtadash Vidya Sthanani, 4 Vedas, I have already explained, Rig, Yajur, Sam, Atharva, 6 Vedangas, Siksha, Kalpa, Vyakaran, Chanda, Nirukta, Jyotish, then Puran, Nyaya, Mimamsa, Dharma Shastra, and last is Varta, Kama Sutra, Shilpa Shastra, and Dandaniti. In total they become 18. So this is 18 Vidya Sthanani. So after that you can see allied sciences. Allied sciences, there is I have mentioned, like the allied sciences were numbered and renumbered with the passage of time as per the requirement of the society. So the ideal number which is available to us is 64. That's why Chatushashti becomes the popular number of allied sciences. You can see the different references from where we can get a lot different numbers above the allied sciences, like Samavaya Sutrani narrates 87, Lalit Vistar 86, Panchal 104, then Kalpantar Vachyani 72, Shukrani Tisar 64, and last is Kama Sutra of Vatsyan, that is 64. So this treatise is dealing with the fulfillment of desires, all kinds of desires, including the desire of getting the death also. Sweksha Mrityu, वो भी एक desire है. At some point of time, if you go to the medical practitioners, ethics of the medical practitioners, read it, then you will find like there is a mercy death. क्या होती है वो? हाँ. So इच्छा मृत्यु भी एक इच्छा है. So this treatise is not only dealing with the materialistic aspects of fulfilling the desires. It is a kind of compendium which is dealing with all possible types of desires and how to fulfill them. So this is a greater epic, greater composition, and now whatever we are going to understand, that is based on the same text, that is Kama Sutra of Vatsyan. You can see the circle. Inside the circle, this is you, this is us, Chidatma. Chidatma means a self-conscious entity. A conscious being is the individual, any individual, and surrounded by the first Ashtadash Vidya Sthanani, 4 circles, Ved, then 6 Vedangas, Purana, Mimamsa, Nyaya, Dharma Shastra, Varta, Kama Sutra, Shilpa Shastra, and Dandaniti. These are the higher education, the sectors of higher education. Then you can see the rectangle part is listing 64 allied sciences and started from Geetam. One by one we would be understanding what they are. The same diagram is going to be explained one by one. First is Geetam, singing. Then Vadyam, playing on the musical instruments. आज आप लोग इसके लिए क्या करते हैं? क्लब बनाते हैं and you follow your extracurricular activities through that because you don't have a platform for that. किसी ने कभी दिया ही नहीं, पूछा ही नहीं कि ये भी कर सकते थे. Came to directly to do the engineering and still you are not satisfied, not feeling happy, then you identify, try to find out some bypass way, sideways to fulfill your desires. These are the allied sciences, Geetam, Vadyam, then Nrityam, dancing, Alekyam, painting, Visheshakachhedyam, this is trimming of the leaves. When you are doing the gardening, those who are having the hobby of doing gardening, trimming of the leaves to represent various figures for the purpose of wearing on the forehead, because that was the trend in performing different festivals, different dances in the different festivals. We were wearing those kind of ornaments which are made from the natural substances. So, this is Visheshakachhedyam, trimming of the leaves to make a complete ornament to wear on forehead. Then Tandul Kusum Bali Vikaraha, this is the arrangement of the rice grain. Tandul means rice, chawal. So, once you are arranging the rice grains and the flowers of different colors in different ways for the purpose of worshipping, that becomes Tandul Kusum Bali Vikara. And what is being what is the current name? जब ये आप करते हैं चावल, कलरफुल चावल से आप लोग डेकोरेशन करते हैं, कलरफुल चावल और फ्लावर्स से क्या बनाते हैं? रंगोली. ये उसी का मॉडिफिकेशन है, सेम थिंग. तंडुल कुसुम बलि विकाराः. पुष्पास्तरणम, covering and decorating a house or a room with the flowers, pushpastaranam. Then dashan vasan angaragah, applying colors to the teeth, body and the clothes. Madi bhumika karma, construction of floors with the gems and mosaic work. Shayan rachanam, making of the beds. Udak vadyam, playing on water to produce sounds of a drum, playing on the water but to produce the sound like a drum. Udak ghataha, striking others with the handful of waters. This is right now when you are enjoying the swimming or just sitting in a bathtub and enjoying the sounds, playing with each other. These are the kalas, allied sciences. कला का मतलब होता है skill based some kind of training, that is kala. So these are all the kalas. कला का मतलब art नहीं होता केवल, जिसको हमने आज बना दिया है art sciences, arts branch and the science branch. This is not the classification. Kala means any of that thing which is being given to us to train us to acquire some kind of skills, that is kala. Chitrashva yoga, causing others by means of drugs, medicines or invocations. This is also a kala, Chitrashva yoga. Malya grathan vikalpaha, stringing of flowers in garlands in various ways. This is also a kala. So जो माला गूंथने का काम करता है, आप उसको ये नहीं कह सकते कि you are not educated. The concept of education in Indian understanding is completely different. Just because you are having a certificate degree, certified degree from NIT Rourkela, that doesn't mean that you are the only person who is literate and educated. No. The skill based person, you cannot make a proper, you cannot tailor a shirt and you cannot tie the pagadi type of thing on your head, you are not having skills and any of the allied things, then there is no use of any of kind of degree certificates or the paper piece. Clear? This is something which is skill based and that was learned by the child as per one's own inclination. Shekhara Pidya Yojanam, wearing of Shekharakas and Apitakas, two ornaments worn on the head in their proper places. That is why I am saying this is also our training. A lot of the students are not having capacity to wear dhoti when there is a cultural program. नहीं बांध पाते हैं, चल नहीं पाते हैं, पता ही नहीं है, अब सिखाने वाला ही नहीं है कोई, तो बता कैसे होगा। सो ये सारी चीज़ें कला हैं, ये आपकी एक्सपर्टीज़ है, ये दीज आर द स्किल्स यू आर सपोज टू बी ट्रेन इन दैट. So they were being taught to the child that in the name of allied sciences. नेपथ्य प्रयोगाः, dressing oneself and others, केवल खुद को ही तैयार करना नहीं, दूसरों को भी. For this was specifically related right now also in the case of when you are performing a drama. If you are a part of a drama club, then you must understand that on the back side of the stage you start dressing yourself and others. That is nepathya prayogaः. Karnapatra bhangaः, making of ear ornaments out of ivory, ear ornaments. This is also an allied sciences. Gandha yuktihi, preparation of different perfumes. This is also a part. Now we have converted this into a kind of side industry, business industry, creation of the perfumes, क्योंकि अब वो selling में आ गया है. So this is gandha yuktihi. Bhushan yojanam, making of ornaments. Bhushan means any kind of abhushan. Any kind of abhushan means from any of the metals, gold, silver, copper. So आज क्या है, बहुत सारी antique jewelry आप लोग पहनते हैं, oxidized one, different metals. So at the different time where you can say in different segments of the time, different types of metals were used to prepare the different type of ornaments, and that is Bhushana Yojanam. That's why Indian राष्ट्रशास्त्र is very strong. बहुत ज़्यादा knowledge है भारत के राष्ट्रशास्त्र में. राष्ट्रशास्त्र क्या है? राष्ट्रशास्त्र is Indian metallurgical system, जहाँ बताया जाता है कि किस तरह से एक धातु से दूसरी धातु तैयार की जा सकती है. Even the mercury can be converted into the gold at some kind of specified such circumstances. So that is राष्ट्रशास्त्र. Aindrajala Yoga. Aindrajala Yoga is a process of producing illusions, and this is very important. Illusion is optical illusion और auditory illusion, दोनों तरह का. कोई आपको भ्रम हो रहा है, आपको केवल आप ही को आवाज़ें सुनाई पड़ रही हैं और किसी को नहीं सुनाई दे रही हैं. So this is a kind of either auditory illusion or visual illusions. So that means optical illusions. That is Aindrajala Yoga. So अब क्या हो गया है? We are mistaken about the Tantra and Aindrajala Yoga. Aindrajala Yoga is a kind of allied sciences which is skill based. आप स्किलिंग करके उसको सीख सकते हैं कि कैसे लोगों के आँखों में इल्यूजन क्रिएट कर देना है, या लोगों को साउंड से रिलेटेड कोई इल्यूजन क्रिएट कर देना है. लेकिन अब क्या है, वी कंसीडर लाइक तंत्र इज अ ब्लैक मैजिक एंड दैट इज equal to the Aindrajal. No, Tantra is not optical illusion or auditory hallucination or illusion. Tantra means the systematic presentation of the knowledge. प्रॉब्लम ये हो गई कि वो से पढ़ा नहीं गया, तो इन जनरल अंडरस्टैंडिंग डे टू डे लाइफ वी गॉट मिस्टेकन विद द Aindrajala Yoga and Tantra. This has happened with the tantric traditions which we are normally familiar with in the reference of the writings which are being done by the foreigners. If you search on the Google about the Tantra, you will find a lot of the references which are being done by the foreign scholars, and they got confused with the Aindrajala Yoga and the Tantra Shastra. Bigger misunderstanding. Kauchumarashva Yogaha. This is prescription for becoming strong, more virile. So these are the this is also a kind of allied sciences. There are few substances whose you can say regular and systematic consumption creates a kind of vigor, strength inside the body. Panchakosha, they become reinforced and very nourished. So automatically you become strong and more virile. Hastalaghavam, readiness of the hands, quickness in doing something or doing all the things. This is readiness of the hands. Hastalaghavam. Vichitra shaka yusha bhaksha vikar kriya, preparation of various vegetables, soups and condiments. This is now coming under the industry of food process and engineering. अभी हम लोग कौन FP ब्रांच का है. सो फूड प्रोसेस इंजीनियरिंग में हम ये दोनों काम करते हैं. विचित्र शाक यूष भक्ष विकार क्रिया, पानक आसव, पानक रस रस आसव योजनम, ये है आपका दूसरा। ये दोनों आज हमारा FP ब्रांच का पार्ट है। प्रिपरेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ ड्रिंक्स लाइक रस एट्सेट्रा, लाइक आसव, अरिष्ट, आयुर्वेद में सुना है। So we were having that kind of knowledge through which we can preserve any substance for a very longer period of time. For example, sirka, vinegar. So if you preserve some kind of pickle in vinegar, it is going to be as it is. बहुत लंबे समय तक वो प्रिजर्व रहता है. In the same way, if you are making चाशनी, चाशनी is sugar solution, condensed sugar solution. So you can keep the things for a longer period of time. So this is a kind of thing which is becoming the part of the FP branch today. These are also the allied sciences. Suchi van karmani, sewing, weaving, knitting and then plating. These are the Suchi van karma, tailoring, जिसको आज हम समझ रहे हैं. सूत्र कीड़ा, playing with the strings, holding a string in the fingers and making it assume the outline of a house or a temple. Sutra krida, just by using the thread you are playing. So this is a kind of allied sciences. Then Veeda Damaruk Vadyani, playing on Veeda Damaru, a kind of drum, you know the Damaru, and other musical instruments, that is Veeda Damaruka Vadyani. So we were trained as per the natural choice or natural inclination in any of the sciences or all of the sciences as per your choice. Prahelika is riddle. Right now Prahelika is riddle. Pratimala is a kind of a game where one person recites a shloka and another follows with one beginning with the last letter of that shloka and so on. So क्या है ये आज की तारीख में? आज आप लोग कैसे सोचते हैं? प्रतिमाला इज व्हाट? द वर्ड यूज्ड फॉर प्रतिमाला? अंताक्षरी. सो दिस इज अंताक्षरी, अ गेम वन पर्सन रिसाइट्स अ श्लोक एंड अदर फॉलोज with the one beginning with the last letter of that and then goes on. Durvachak yoga, another game. Each participator recites a shlok bristling with hard syllables. यहाँ पे क्या है, आपको ऐसा syllable दिया जाएगा बोलने के लिए या जो कठिन है, आसानी से बोला नहीं जा सकता. That's why Durvachak yoga. So each participator recites the shloka bristling with the hard syllables. Hard syllables are ta, tha, da, dha, da. So ta, tha, da, dha, da. Not everyone is not able to pronounce these sounds. In the same way, rikar, rikar. There are a lot of sounds in the Vedic mantras which are hard syllables. Not easily can they are not, if you are not trained, you cannot easily pronounce them. Pustak vachanam, reading of the books. Then natak akhyayika darshanam, knowledge of dramas and stories. This is natak akhyayika darshanam. Kavya samasya puranam, composition of a poetry. The last quarter of a shlok being given and the composition of the first three is required. The whole should give a sensible meaning. So 4 lines are there, the last is given, you have to fill the rest of the 3. This is Kavya Samasya Puranam. So in that way, if somebody is having a poetic pratibha, so that kind of pratibha or that kind of talent can be more polished by making the students to practice these kind of things. Pattika Vetravan Vikalpaha, making of different things from the canes and the reeds. Just like you are you go to any Shilpa Mela and then you will find like there are so many baskets just made of a bamboo kind of reeds and canes. So you are preparing different types of utensils. Some are just for the purpose of decoration and some are very useful also. So this is Pattika Vetra Van Vikalpaha. This is also allied sciences. So these are part of the industry. ये सब क्या देते हैं? ये हमें आजीविका देते थे. So these are the sciences which were related with the livelihood. जिसको आज आपको ट्रेन किया जा रहा है टिल द 35 ईयर्स ऑफ एज आप ट्रेन होते रहेंगे, लेकिन आपको ये नहीं पता होगा कि आप अर्निंग करने के लायक हो गए कि नहीं. ये एलाइड साइंसेस थी जिनका टारगेट ही यही था, सो दैट यू कैन सेलेक्ट वन और मोर देन वन टू एक्चुअली अचीव द लिवलीहुड ऑफ योर लाइफ and then move to the higher education to get the 3 basic answers, because that is the ultimate goal of life. ultimate goal of existence. Taksha karmani, cutting and working in the gold, steel and wood. This is taksha karmani. There is a difference between taksha karmani and takshana. Takshana means, takshanam means carpentry. Takshanam is carpentry, but cutting and working specifically in gold, steel and wood, that is taksha karmani. There is a difference in between both of them. Vastu Vidya, the science of house, how houses should be built and what sites and on what sites and with what kind of material also, that is Vastu Vidya. Rupya Ratna Pariksha. Rupya Ratna Pariksha is testing of the precious stones and coins. This is Rupya Ratna Pariksha. Then Dhatuvadaha, combination, purification, precipitation of the minerals is Dhatuvadaha. Madi Rag Akar Jnanam, knowledge of the processes of dyeing the crystals and precious stones and of the locations and working of the mines. This is Madi Rag Akar Jnanam. Now, I will ask the reverse question, which is dealing with the mining. Which one? Mining se kaun, last one is, you can read. Dhatuvada mining hai. Read the sentence. Read the sentence. Knowledge of the processes of dyeing crystals and precious stones and of the location and working of mines is Madi Rag Akar Jnana. This is mining. Now, combination, purification, precipitation of minerals. Which branch? Metallurgy. Metallurgy. Dhatuvad is metallurgy. Clear? Vastu Vidya, science of house, how houses should be built and what sites, what kind of material. Civil and architecture. Then Vriksha Ayurveda Yoga. Vriksha Ayurveda Yoga is the medicine for the plants. Knowledge of the processes of making for trees and plants healthy and sound, for making them abnormally small or big, bonsai. Vriksha Ayurveda Yoga. So, Ayurveda is not only related with the preservation of the longevity of human beings, it is related with the preservation of longevity of vriksha and animal also, that is Vriksha Ayurveda Yoga. Mesh Kukkut Lavak Yuddha Vidhi. Mesh Kukkut, that is making rams, cocks and lavakas to fight. So, we train the different kind of animals in fighting. So, this is also a kind of allied sciences. Shuk Sarika Pralapanam, teaching male and female parrots to speak the words like human. This is Shuk Sarika Pralapanam. Utsadane Samvahane Kshemamardane cha Kaushalam, proficiency in massaging the head and the body with the hands and feet. Akshar Mushtika Kathanam, finding out meaning of group of letters is Akshar Mushtika Kathanam. Mlekshit Vikalpaha, varieties of cipher languages, that is languages which are unintelligible to all except the initiated. This is Mlekshit Vikalpaha. Desh Bhasha Vijnanam, knowledge of the languages of various countries is Desh Bhasha Vijnanam. Pushpa Shakatika, cart of flowers, making carts, horses, elephants, etc. of the flowers. Nimitta Jnanam, knowledge of good and bad causes. Yantra Matrika, construction of machines for locomotion. Dharan Matrika, sciences of remembering things or holding the clothes and other things in hands. Sampathyam, a game where one person recites a shloka which is unknown to another, who however has to repeat it after him just by listening. Immediately you have to repeat it. So, that would be the retaining capacity of the memory, enhancing the retaining capacity, sharpening the memory. Manasi, another game where one person writes a shloka with anuswara and visarga as they are, but with crosses in place of other letters. The other player has to write the correct letters in place of crosses. So, suppose Ramah gacchati. So, the correct version is visarga should be here and gacchati, or Ramah pustakam pathati. This is anuswar, this is visarga. This is anuswar, this is visarga. So, what is being done? ये क्रॉस लगा देंगे. अब आपको छोड़ देंगे कि क्या करना है. What would be there? अनुस्वार would be there or visarg would be there. It in place of the correct version we can put like crosses. And another person is supposed to fill up the correct vibhakti. That means either visarg or anuswar. This is Manasi. So, the training of the Sanskrit language was not given directly by 10 days short course, crash course. 10 दिन में बोलना सिखा देंगे. 10 दिन जैसे अंग्रेजी वालों ने शुरू किया वैसे ही संस्कृत वालों ने भी अब शुरू कर दिया कि 10 दिन में क्रैश कोर्स करके हम आपको ट्रेन कर देंगे. ऐसा नहीं था. The language is not a museum piece. It's a kind of thing which automatically gets inherited to all of us. Once we start listening to the sounds, we are able to pronounce them automatically. So, there was not a situation for any kind of language where grammarian created the words and the people went to purchase the words. No, ऐसा कभी हुआ ही नहीं है. It's in usage, that's why it is being carried. So, you can easily learn all the sounds if you are listening to the sounds continuously from your surroundings itself. Doesn't matter to which kind of language you are addressing. And at that time this language was in practice, in usage, that's why it is all available to everyone automatically. Kavya kriya, composing poems, abhidhan kosh chand vigyanam, knowledge of lexicons and metrics, kriya kalpah, kavya and alankar. Kavya is poetry, alankar is figure of speech. Chalitak yogaha is process of deception or disguising the person and voice so as not to be recognized or to pass for another. Vastra gropanani, hiding of dresses, deception as to dress. So, you just you have hidden the dresses of others, that is vastra gropanani. Dyut vishesha, gambling, varieties of gambling. There is not one type of gambling. You see, this is also a skill. This is also an allied sciences. Skill based allied sciences, the Dyut vishesha. Akarsh krida, particular kind of gambling with the dice. Bal krida, games for the children. Then Vainayiki nam vidya nam jnanam, knowledge of the sciences and arts which educate the person. Then Vaijayiki nam vidya nam jnanam, knowledge of the sciences which confer the victory over the opponent. In any of the same case, it can be a debate, it can be through the words, it can be a war zone. Vyayamiki nam vidya nam jnanam, knowledge of the sciences connected with physical exercises like swimming, wrestling, etc. Now, one by one, apply them today. कहाँ पे आ रही हैं? In the previous slide, which one is related with this yantra matrika? Construction of machines for locomotion, which branch? Mechanical. Then mlekshit vikalpaha, varieties of cipher languages. What is cipher language? Which is unintelligible to all except the initiated one. Encoding, programming, जितना भी हम CS डिपार्टमेंट में कर रहे हैं, जिसके थ्रू भी हम आगे कोड लेके जाना चाहते हैं, वो सब इसी के हैं. म्लेक्षित विकल्पाः. Then देश भाषा विज्ञानम, correct, language literature. Then any other one which is left. Example, give an example of vastra gopanani. Example of vastra gopanani, an example from the shastra. कोई ऐसी story जहाँ पे ये सबसे ज़्यादा famous है, कृष्ण वस्त्र गोपनानी. ठीक है. छलितक योग, what is the target of छलितक योग? Why it should be given as a skill based training, allied sciences? छलितक योगा, प्रोसेस ऑफ डिसेप्शन, पॉसिबल टारगेट, कहाँ पर इसका इस्तेमाल होता होगा? कूटनीति में. दैट मीन्स डिफेंस स्ट्रैटेजी. Defense and attack strategies involve the spies, and spies always being trained in all these sciences which can be used at the time of danger. ठीक है. So process of deception, छलितक योगा, these were very important. आज भी दी जाती है इनकी ट्रेनिंग. Then we can just practice few of the questions, sample questions. For example, first is write down 18 primary sciences. 18 primary sciences. Repeat. First one, 4 Vedas, Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvaveda. Then 6 Vedangas, Siksha, Kalpa, Vyakaran, Chanda, Nirukta, Jyotish. Then 4-1, Mimamsa, Nyaya, Dharma Shastra. One more. क्या छूटा? पुराण. पुराण, न्याय, मीमांसा and Dharma Shastra. Then the fourth, last layer, Varta, Kamasutra, Shilpashastra, Dandaniti. So in total they become 18. Now go to the question, second part of the question. Why they are a part of higher education in Indian education system? What is the answer? Because they deal with the 3 basic questions. Who am I? From where I have come? And what is the goal of my life? That's the thing. Second question. How many allied sciences are there as per Kama Sutra of Vatsyayan? 64. Third question. Why the number of allied sciences vary with time? What is the reason? Exactly. According to the need of the society, the number of the allied sciences vary. Now you can fill in the blanks. These are coming from the same description. For example, combination, purification, precipitation of minerals. सबको याद आ रहा है? Combination, purification, precipitation of minerals, धातुवाद. Varieties of cipher languages, mlekshit vikalpaha. Knowledge of lexicons and metrics, अभिधान कोश. नहीं याद है अभी आपको, धीरे धीरे आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. अभिधान कोश, छंद विज्ञान. छंद is up, you just split the word. If you want to remember the words of the Sanskrit for a longer period of time, you just split. This word is abhidhana first, then kosh, then chand. 3 words are there. Abhidhan, kosh, khosh and chand. Kosh is lexicon, chand is metrics, and knowledge about both of them is abhidhana. So कोश एंड छंद विज्ञान, ये दोनों का ज्ञान जहाँ होता है वो है अभिधान कोश छंद विज्ञानम. ये इसका शब्द का पूरा मीनिंग हुआ. सो यू कैन प्रैक्टिस इट लाइक नॉलेज ऑफ द लेक्सिकन्स एंड मैट्रिक्स. अभिधान मीन्स नॉलेज, कोश एंड छंद. जस्ट कॉन्जुगेट द वर्ड्स अभिधान कोश छंद विज्ञानम. प्लेस द वर्ड विज्ञानम, becomes easy. Then construction of machines for locomotion. Madi rag akar gyanam. Construction of machines for locomotion. Yantra matrika. Clear? Yantra matrika. Then wearing of shekharakas and apitikas, 2 ornaments worn on the head in their proper place. Both the words are listed here. Sometimes I give the questions जिसका आंसर क्वेश्चन में ही लिखा होता है, but you don't use your common sense and you become panicked just by seeing the question. Shekharakas and apitikas both are the ornaments, name of the ornaments, and the word are given in the question itself. ठीक है? Now how you are going to conjugate both of them? Shekharakas, shekhara, shekhar, and apitikas. In Sanskrit we can, if you place the 2 sounds a plus a, it would become a. So that means shekharakas, shekharak, then apidaka, apidak. You placed both the sounds together, then it would become shekhar apide. Then last में क्या लगा दिया? योजनम. तो कुछ नहीं लिखना था आपको. The answer is already, the question is already having the answer. You fuse the words shekharak, apidak, shekhar apide, then yojanam. This is the name of the science. Clear? Then that is the arrangement of rice grains. and flowers. हाँ, tandul is the word for rice grain, tandul. And then flowers, kusum. Then put both the words together. Where it is? Tandul, then kusum, bali vikaraha. Bali vikara means you are just dispersing all over there. So, it is arrangement, specified arrangement. This is tandul kusum bali vikara. Vikarana means you are dispensing the items in a particular way. Then the next question, for example, cutting and working gold, gold, steel and wood. तक्षणम की तक्षकर्माणी, दो थे ना वर्ड, मैंने कहा था दोनों में डिफरेंस है. दिस इज तक्षकर्माणी एंड दिस इज तक्षणम. विच वन वुड बी द करेक्ट आंसर? तक्षकर्माणी. एंड तक्षणम बिकम्स कारपेंट्री. नॉलेज ऑफ द लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ वेरियस कंट्रीज. हाँ, देश भाषा विज्ञानम. कुछ करना ही है. देश मतलब country, bhasha means language, vigyan means knowledge. So, desh bhasha vijnanam. Preparation of perfumes, gandha yukti. Gandha means perfume or smell and yukti means the method of preparing. So, it is gandha yukti. Then process of deception, disguising the person and voice. अभी तो बताया. अच्छा, क्या करते हैं हम? When we disguise, then what we are doing? छल कर रहे हैं. बस यही याद रखना है. तो आपका क्या आंसर हो जाएगा? छल से आपको बनाना है. छलित योगा. दैट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिसेप्शन. सो दिस इज द way how you can be asked the questions, and you can remember the words. If you remember the meaning of the words, automatically you can create the word. So for this lecture, this is sufficient. Thank you.